What's up, YouTube? Wanted to do a quick video on your ignition switch replacement. I'm not talking about the key tumbler. I'm talking about your actual ignition switch on your steering column. These trucks are pretty notorious for them going bad. It's a pretty easy fix, and if you're having starting problems, this will be a good thing to check out. It's super easy to replace, but let me jump into it and I'll show you how to fix it. So this video should apply to about 87 to 96 trucks, maybe a little earlier and a little later, but I know for sure 87 through 91 for sure. This is an 89, but Ford used pretty much the same stuff on these OBS trucks for the longest time, so it's all pretty similar. But you don't have to go in as depth as I'm going, because I'm doing some other stuff while I'm in here. But I pulled my seat just to give me some more room and drop the steering column. It's really easy to drop the steering column. It's just two bolts, two 14mm bolts. They mount on right there on each side of the steering column. You just pop these little trim panels off, take your knobs off, and those trim panels come right off. But this right here is the culprit, and it mounts back there on those two studs, and this is your actual ignition switch rod, and then that's the connector right there. But when I got this truck home, this piece actually was on the floorboard. Well, it was hanging down. It was still connected to the harness, but there was actually another piece that's inside this that was laying on the floorboard. So I knew immediately this is definitely one of the problems with this truck to get it started. But these are pretty notorious for going bad. They separate just like that and kind of fall apart. If you see a gap in yours, it's probably bad. If you're having a no start or hard start or intermittent starts, these are probably your problem. They split like that and lose connection, and if that ain't it, you can always try replacing your key tumbler, or really it's just good to replace both of these at the same time. Just give you a whole new fresh ignition system. But this is just held on with two 11mm nuts. When you put it on, it has slots right here, so there is a little bit of adjustment. So kind of just look at your old one. You can see where the bolts were on mine. It was kind of slid all the way back. Just look at yours and try to, when you bolt your new one in, just try to get that kind of in the same ballpark. You may have to adjust it. You'll turn the key, and you'll have to fine tune it to know exactly where that rod wants to be inside there. But it's not a super complicated process. The harness just has two clips on it. I'm gonna zoom in on it so you can see, make sure. It just slides down on either side, clips onto those prongs, and I bought a new one off Amazon for like $14 shipped. So it's not an expensive part to replace, and it really isn't that hard. So don't be afraid to tackle it. Let me see if I can pop this one apart and show you. Hold on one second. Let me shut the camera off and pull it apart. All right, so that's what they look like on the inside. You can obviously see this one's been in there for a while. This part in here slides back and forth, and it's got a little spring right there. It's like a spring tension connection inside there. But this, when I first opened this truck up, this was actually laying on the floorboard. So I knew that was one of the culprits on why this truck ain't starting. So anyways, I'm gonna replace that, and hopefully I can get this old girl fired up. I'm doing a little build series on this truck. There's gonna be more videos on it. I've got tons of other old OBS Ford videos. Got my 86 in there. I'm doing a transmission swap on it right now from automatic to manual. But anyways, I'd appreciate if you guys go check the channel out. Hit that like button if this video helped you out. It really helps me out and promotes my videos. And if you like the channel and what you've seen, hit that subscribe button and come back for more content. Anyways, guys, hope this video helped y'all out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.